We don't normally blow any wind up Purple for a very good reason, because he doesn't deserve it.
Yes.
But this, we can go no further, Duck. After last night's performance from Brodie Grundy.
Time, Jim.
Brodie Grundy, 33 possessions, 21 contested, of course. Just an extraordinary game of football for him. So we went back into the vault and picked up a conversation that happened many years ago. And, I'm playing this against my own better judgment. Here we go.
Triple M Footy from the vault.
You see much of Brodie Grundy?
I saw his tape before he was drafted.
In your preparation for tonight?
No, I saw his tape before he was drafted, so I saw his junior tapes. Oh, yeah, he's unbelievable.
You seen much?
Saw him Saturday night live for the first time and against Mumford and the big Pike, the big Canadian. It was a big effort for a bloke playing his third game. I thought he was fantastic.
Warrior?
Yeah, just again, saw him last week. I know how big a raps were on him about this time last year. They were talking top 4 or 5 in the draft.
So after, what's he played, 2 games?
3
Three games.
He's going to be an all-time great, guys. I can see where you're going with this.
Warrior has written in
He's going to be an all-time great.
has declared him
All-time
going to be
all-time great.
an all-time
Well, you told me that last Monday,
This
Duff.
is after 3 games.
Have you branded an all-time great?
Come back to me in 5 years' time. He'll be well on the way.
Okay. No, you're not just saying a great.
All-time great.
So therefore he'd have to win 3 Brownlows.
No, guys, not in the rucking sense. Ruckman don't win Brownlows.
Oh,
They win them all the time.
Not in the modern.
So tell me who...
An all-time great ruckman.
Tell me who...
An all-time great ruckman.
No, I don't think you said that. But anyway, let's go with that. Who's the all-time great ruckman in the...
Simon Madden.
Wow.
Oh, geez,
Hang on, Warrior.
Hang on, Warrior. Come on, Purple.
Hang on, the smoke's coming out of the Twitter machine. An all-time great after 3 games.
Come back to me in 5 years' time, boys.
Oh, my Lord.
Simon
Trying
Madden.
to quote me off the record,
And
Warrior.
throwing Duke under the bus.
Hurled him under the wheels.
Daz, you went on camera with this. You
Don't
forget what
drag
you say on
me
camera.
into your all-time outlandish statements, Damo. That is
All right,
extraordinary.
Go with this one.
He's
You'll be-
rolling him in with...
Simon Madden.
There's even greater ruckman than Simon.
Got to be better than Daz then. How about? Can you give me? Can I go over that?
No, you said all time.
He won an MVP.
That's
All-Australian.
legend status you're talking there. We won't be going down that path for young Brodie.
Purple, I like your pills going on the block.
I'm happy to put him there, JB.
I like it.
That's where I put him.
It's a large-ish state. That's almost
Polly
Hutchie.
Farmer.
This is
We're
Hutchie.
talking, are we?
Very Hutchie.
This is the sort of work the Bargwana throws in.
Not even worried about this one.
Hey,
Very comfortable.
Really?
Who's the ruckman in the team that's in?
Polly Farmer.
Polly Farmer.
Johnny Nichols.
Got Polly covered.
That's it. And what?
Polly covered.
Big Nick.
I'll tell you what
Why
Bargwana
not?
does to Big Duke.
Dempsey.
He throws these in, Hutchie, and when they blow up in his face, he walks away made of Teflon as if it was never even mentioned.
Oh, no.
And I'm seeing Purple a little bit. I like it, Purple.
I won't be
I like
walking
it.
away.
I like it a lot.
Gee whiz.
Not just a very good player.
All-time great.
Not just a great player. All-time great.
Well, he is very, very exciting, no doubt about that. And we're looking forward to having a look at him
Make
tonight.
sure you remember this conversation.
The head wobble and Damo at the moment.
That's not great.
mate.
All-time you're talking. That's up with Ablett, Lee Matthews, Ted Whitten.
All-time great
Carey.
ruckman.
No, that's the company you're putting them in.
Well, Purple.
Damo.
3 games in, Jim.
July 11, 2013,
There you
that
go.
conversation happened. How do we sit with that now? All-time great?
I think I'm stacking up very nicely on that conversation, Jim. I'm glad. Thanks for finding it in the archives, Jim.
I wouldn't have thought he was an all-time great.
Well, All-Australian.
He's gonna be a Brownlow
He's been
medalist.
a best and
he's
fairest.
played 100 games.
All-Australian. he's
All-time
played.
greats play 300. The test of time's got to come in
True,
as well.
but I
and
think-
he hasn't actually won a Brownlow. Might win it this year. Hasn't won one yet, but all-time great.
Go back-to-back All-Australians.
He's got a fair bit to go. We'll
you're
let
good,
you know when he
Well
becomes
done,
an all-time
Damo.
great.
Pick number 18 in the draft.
Mightn't be alive.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, he's
Well done,
he's
Damo.
just,
thank you.
Got to give
He's,
him a pat on the back, Brian.
200
Gee, you're
games,
cranky.
200 games short, but anyway.
Geez, you're a
You
cranky.
are-
You ever
got a-
happy?
What's going on, Bristol?
What's wrong with you, Bill?
You ever happy?
I'm very happy,
you know
thank
what he
you.
loves doing, Bill?
Can't wait
What,
to get
getting in
home.
his shed.
He just loves smacking down other people's
Yeah.
opinions.
And he gets in his shed, and he's got his extension cords,
great-
and then he's got his tools, and
He's the great counter puncher. He just waits for people to
Some
just
of boxing's
have a really,
best are counter
have a
punchers.
really strong opinion of something, and
Yeah.
then he just goes whack whack.
You've got to be contrarian.
Yep.
No, those having a dickwit opinion.
Well,
I tend to smack.
I don't think that is a dickwit opinion, Purple. I think you had the foresight.
No, that's
Tracking
weren't you?
nicely.